Today, I have a very special treat for you. I'm about to share with you a method that Neville Goddard passed on to his most privileged clients. This technique holds the promise of manifesting a substantial sum of money, potentially even millions of dollars, in a very short time. This Neville Goddard secret money method will make you rich. However, it's a closely guarded secret that few people know about. But what if I told you that there is a secret technique that can help you manifest a huge amount of money in a short time? A technique that has the potential to manifest millions of dollars for you. But before I reveal this technique to you, I would like to ask you a favor. Please support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing. It would mean a lot to me and help me reach more people who need this information. Thank you so much for your kindness and generosity. This secret technique will change your life forever. Today, I'm excited to share a powerful story inspired by Neville Goddard, revealing a unique and unconventional method for attracting money and wealth, regardless of your current circumstances. And today, I'm going to share with you one of the most magical manifestation techniques by Neville Goddard, that will help you get 100% results in seconds. I will share with you the secret that helped me manifest everything literally in no time once I understood it. You will learn how to apply this secret to manifest money and wealth. Would you like to learn how to manifest millions of dollars in just a matter of weeks? Do you want to learn the secret technique that one of the most influential reality creation experts used to achieve his financial freedom? Do you want to discover the power of 3 simple words that can change your life forever? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place. Today, I will reveal to you the amazing story of how Neville Goddard used the law of assumptions to create his own reality and attract millions of dollars into his bank account. I will also share with you how you can apply the same technique in your own life and achieve your wildest dreams. But how do you apply these principles in your daily life? How do you manifest money and wealth with ease and joy? How do you overcome the obstacles and challenges that seem to block your way? How do you create a reality that reflects your true self and your highest potential? You have practiced various techniques to manifest your goals, such as visualization, affirmations, scripting, meditation and more. But what if I told you that there is a simple and effective way to manifest anything you want with just 3 powerful words? A way that does not require any effort, time or resources. A way that works for anyone, regardless of their background, beliefs or circumstances. A way that has been proven by countless success stories and testimonials. A way that you can start using right now and see results in as little as 30 seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's real and it's called the Isn't It Wonderful technique. Neville Goddard taught that everything in our reality is a reflection of our inner state of consciousness. He said that we can change our reality by changing our state of consciousness. And he said that we can do this by assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. The Isn't It Wonderful technique is based on this principle. It's a simple way to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled by using 3 powerful words. Isn't it wonderful? These words are not just words. They are a trigger for your subconscious mind to create a positive emotional state that aligns with your desired outcome. When you say or think these words, you are implying that something wonderful has happened or is happening in your reality. You are implying that your wish has been fulfilled or is being fulfilled. You are implying that you are happy, grateful and satisfied with your life. How does this work? Well, it works because your subconscious mind does not know the difference between reality and imagination. It accepts whatever you impress upon it as true. And it responds by creating more of the same in your external reality. So when you say or think isn't it wonderful, you are impressing upon your subconscious mind a positive and joyful state of being. And your subconscious mind responds by creating more wonderful things in your reality. How do you use this technique? It's very simple. All you have to do is say or think isn't it wonderful whenever you want to manifest something or whenever you want to feel good. You can say or think it in any situation, at any time, for any reason. You can say or think it out loud or silently. You can say or think it once or repeatedly. You can say or think it with or without a specific intention. The key is to say or think it with feeling and conviction. Feel the emotion behind the words. Feel the joy and gratitude of having what you want or experiencing what you want. Feel the wonder and awe of living in a magical reality where anything is possible. You don't have to be specific about what you want to manifest when you use this technique. You can leave it up to the universe to surprise you with something wonderful. Or you can have a general idea of what you want to manifest, such as money, love, health, success. Or you can have a specific goal or desire in mind, such as a certain amount of money, a specific person, a particular job, or anything else your heart desires. Whatever you choose, just say or think, "Isn't it wonderful?" and let go of the outcome. Trust that the universe will deliver what is best for you at the right time and in the right way. Don't worry about how or when it will happen. Don't doubt or resist the process. Just enjoy the feeling of wonder and appreciation. To help you get started with this technique, I will share with you a detailed exercise that Neville Goddard taught his students. This exercise will help you create a powerful impression on your subconscious mind and activate the law of assumption in your favor. Here is the exercise. 1. Choose something that you want to manifest in your life. It can be anything that you desire, big or small. 2. Write down your desire on a piece of paper in the present tense as if it has already happened. For example, I have $100,000 in my bank account, I am married to John, I am healthy and fit, and so on. 3. Read your statement aloud with feeling and conviction. 4. Close your eyes and relax your body and mind. 5. Imagine a scene that implies that your desire has been fulfilled. It can be a scene that involves you or someone else. It can be a scene that you have experienced before or a scene that you have never experienced. It can be a scene that is realistic or a scene that is unrealistic. The only requirement is that the scene must imply that your desire has been fulfilled and that it must make you feel good. 6. Enter into the scene as if you were there. Use all your senses to make it as vivid and real as possible. See what you see, hear what you hear, smell what you smell, taste what you taste, touch what you touch. Feel the emotions that you would feel if your desire were true. 7. While you are in the scene, say or think, "Isn't it wonderful?" with feeling and conviction. Repeat it as many times as you want. 8. Stay in the scene for as long as you can or until you feel a sense of satisfaction and completion. 9. Open your eyes and return to the present moment. 10. Let go of your desire and trust that it is done. That's it. That's the exercise. You can do it as often as you want or until you manifest your desire. You can also do it for multiple desires at once or one at a time. The choice is yours. The "Isn't it wonderful" technique is one of the most powerful and simple ways to manifest anything you want with just 3 words. It works because it changes your state of consciousness and aligns it with your desired reality. It works because it activates the law of assumption and the law of attraction in your favor. It works because it makes you feel good and grateful for what you have or what you are about to receive. Remember, you have the power to create your own reality with your mind. You have the power to use 3 powerful words to manifest anything you want. Isn't it wonderful? Neville Goddard taught that everything we see in the physical world is a reflection of our inner state, and that we can change our outer circumstances by changing our inner state. He also taught that we can use the law of assumptions to assume the feeling of our desired outcome and make it a reality. What is the law of assumptions? The law of assumptions is one of the most powerful laws in the universe. It states that whatever we assume to be true, becomes true for us. It means that whatever we believe, feel, and expect, we attract into our experience. It also means that whatever we imagine, we create. The law of assumptions works because our subconscious mind accepts whatever we impress upon it as true, and then manifests it in our physical reality. Our subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. It only responds to our feelings and emotions. Therefore, if we assume something to be true with conviction and emotion, our subconscious mind will accept it as true and make it happen. How Neville Goddard used 3 powerful words to manifest millions. One of the most famous stories that Neville Goddard shared in his lectures was how he used the law of assumptions to manifest millions of dollars in a short period of time. He said that he was inspired by a passage from the Bible that says, "Let this mind be in you, which was also in Christ Jesus, Philippians 2:5. He decided to apply this principle in his own life and assume the mind of a millionaire. He said that he used 3 powerful words every day for 30 seconds to impress his subconscious mind with his desired state. These words were, "Isn't it wonderful?" He explained that he would repeat these words over and over again with feeling and gratitude, as if he had already received his millions. He would imagine himself living in a luxurious mansion, driving a fancy car, wearing expensive clothes, traveling around the world, and enjoying his wealth. He would feel the joy and satisfaction of being a millionaire. He said that he did this every morning when he woke up, every night before he went to sleep, and whenever he had a free moment during the day. He said that he did not worry about how or when his millions would come. He just assumed that they were already his and thanked God for them. He said that within a few months, his life changed dramatically. He received an unexpected inheritance from a distant relative who left him millions of dollars. He also received lucrative offers for his books and lectures. He became one of the most successful and wealthy reality creation experts in the world. How you can apply the same technique in your own life. If you want to manifest millions of dollars or anything else you desire, you can use the same technique that Neville Goddard used. Here are some practical steps you can follow. 1. Decide what you want to manifest. Be clear and specific about your goal. Write it down on a piece of paper or on your phone. 2. Assume that you already have it. Feel as if your wish has already been fulfilled. Imagine yourself living your dream life with your desired outcome. 3. Use the 3 powerful words, "Isn't it wonderful?" Repeat them over and over again with feeling and gratitude. Feel how wonderful it is to have what you want. 4. Do this every day for at least 30 seconds. Do it in the morning when you wake up, at night before you go to sleep, and whenever you have some free time during the day. 5. Let go and trust the process. Do not worry about how or when your manifestation will happen. Just assume that it is already done and thank God for it. If you follow these steps consistently, you will be amazed by the results. You will see your reality change to match your assumptions. You will attract millions of dollars or whatever else you desire into your life. Remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can have anything you want if you assume that you already have it. Use the power of your imagination and feeling to make your dreams come true. You have the power to create your own reality with your mind. You have the power to use 3 powerful words to manifest anything you want. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.